Welcome back, Flare community. Today, by popular demand, I'm going to walk you through the process of claiming the ELS token, which is the next airdrop for holders of XRP. For those of you who don't know, the ELS token is based on the aesthetics art ecosystem, and Aesthetics is going to be basically an NFT marketplace, the very first one, based on the XRP ledger. They have an absolutely incredible white paper here, and I'm going to link this along with all the other information that you need today in the description below. So let's jump straight in. The first thing that we're going to need to do is jump into this tweet here and grab what is called the issuing address. Now, this issuing address is basically the address which these ELS tokens are going to be issued from. What you need to do is set up what is called a trust line from your XRP ledger account. It's very simple, and we're going to go through it right here, right now. So, the next step is to go to the XUMM community page. And this web application is basically an interface for your XRP ledger account. It's going to allow you to do additional features which you may not have in your traditional wallet, such as creating escrows or cancelling escrows, and more importantly, setting trust lines. And that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's get started. First of all, we need to click in Sign with XUMM. And here you have a QR code. So bring up your XUMM app and click on Scan QR code. And there we have it. So you will have to slide to accept that. And we are now signed in to the XUMM community web account. So here we go, we're logged in. And what we're going to do next is set a trust line. Now, if you remember before, we had this trust line address, the issuing address, sorry. So you can copy that, come over to here, and just simply paste it in. Then we can select from a token, and there we have it. So there's the ELS token, which we are going to be claiming. So click on this, send trust set to XUMM, click confirm, and you will receive a notification. Click on that, scroll down, make sure that everything is right as expected, and slide to accept. And there we have it. It's been confirmed, and we now have the ELS token, which is being shown in the XUMM application. Very straightforward and very simple, I'm sure you will agree. So with that being said, I'm going to wrap up here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please feel free to do so, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.